now with just how much snow we've seen so far. Tony?
Well, so far, leading the way, Brian and Shannon, Charlestown with 8 inches of snow. The heavier snow started there sooner. One reason why at least the highways are in pretty good shape, and they were pre-treated. So as the snow comes down, initially it's melting, but at some point, as the intensity of the snow really starts to pick up, it may start to overcome any of that chemical treatment, and it may start to stick to the highways. And certainly untreated surfaces obviously have some accumulations. We're looking at, wow, it is still snowing hard down in Newport. Blowing sideways, wind is a factor as well, getting gusts at times 30, even 40 miles per hour. So let's first start with Doppler radar, and the blue is the snow. This is we call it the winter mosaic, so it shows precipitation type. It shows the rain snow line, this thin pink line right in here, out towards Cape Cod, the Vineyard, Nantucket. It is actually a plain rain. Still snowing in New Bedford. You will eventually go to some sleet and rain a little sooner. That's why the amounts that we're forecasting for New Bedford are a little lower, whereas it's much higher north and west, just for the simple fact that the change to rain and sleet doesn't happen here until later in the evening. So we'll show you those amounts in just a second. Here's the wider view, and the area of low pressure, the storm itself, is just south of Long Island, New York. These darker bands of green indicating moderate bands of heavy snow. At times it can come down at the rate of 1 to 2 inches per hour. So we take a look at Newport, and you can't even see across the water, let alone the Newport Pell Bridge. So poor visibility, some fog, and some strong wind as well, and wind gusts at times along the coast, 40, even 50 miles per hour. I show this photo only because normally in this particular camera shot, you can see the Providence skyline off in the distance, and it is a shrouded in heavy snow and some fog in downtown Providence. So looking at snowfall totals so far, Charlestown is now up to 8. I know Westerly has 7. Wakefield about half hour ago checked in at 7. Between 6 and 7 inches. West Greenwich now at 5. Burrillville at 4. Now, your heavy snow started a little later. You will catch up for lost time. Unfortunately, you'll get some, in fact, we're forecasting the highest amount actually in places like Burrillville. Situate now checking in at 3.2. So northern suburbs will start to pick up. So it's cold to support snow, but look at the mild air across the Cape where it's raining, and some of that is going to move inland. And unlike some other storms, like the storm we had in December, which was all snow, this one will eventually transition over to some sleet and rain. But by the time that happens, the bulk of the snow that we're anticipating has already occurred. So snow and wind will continue to intensify over the next several hours. Difficult travel, and because of the weight of the snow, it's wet and sticky, and some of the stronger winds, especially along the coastline, there may be some scattered power outages. A mix to sleet and rain for later in the evening and during the overnight from south to lastly north. So that's why northern suburbs will pick up a little bit more in the way of snow, and the showers linger for Tuesday. I wouldn't call Tuesday a stormy day in the sense that the precipitation is going to be lighter, but we'll have a light mixture of both some rain and some snow showers, and the gusty winds that will continue as well. And eventually by this time tomorrow night, colder air settles in. We're going to transition back over to snow showers. So our storm system is now south of Long Island, New York, but it's a slow mover, and you can see the precipitation, the moisture being drawn in off the Atlantic Ocean into the colder air, but at the same time this wind direction will pull in milder air, and the transition to rain and sleet will happen later in the evening. How quick that happens will dictate, just exactly how much snow will fall, and we'll show you those numbers in just a second. So the forecast tonight through tomorrow morning showing the storm still spinning to our south, but the heaviest precipitation lifting up to our north. So by tomorrow morning, it's a lighter mixture of both rain and some snow showers. So we're getting real close, and we'll step you through the forecast hour by hour. Then notice by the midnight hour, north and west still snowing. Providence, south and east, it's more on the way of some rain and some sleet. And then by tomorrow morning, it's mostly rain showers, a little leftover snow shower activity, northwest part of the state. In the afternoon, it's above freezing, and then later tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, colder air comes back, and some scattered snow showers redeveloping. Statewide, a general 8 to 12 inches. So as well, we'll certainly verify at 8. Many areas getting close to that already, to up to 12. Amounts could be slightly higher in the areas in pink, north and west of Providence. 5 to 8 New Bedford, but if the change to rain is a little bit slower, then the amounts there will be slightly higher. So for tomorrow morning, looking at a light mixture of both rain and some snow showers, and that will continue into tomorrow afternoon. One thing we'll have to watch for later tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, colder air settling back in, so any slushy and wet surfaces will freeze up later tomorrow night. A few scattered snow showers on Wednesday with temperatures in the middle 30s, back to sunshine on Thursday. WPRI.com, just a wealth of storm information on that, so check it out.